Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Terrain. This is Lakshmi Narayana, your mathematics teacher. Again I come up with a very interesting and important question. This is of 2019 March Mathematics Paper 1 Public Examination Telangana State Board. So let's have a look at the statement of the question. Here it is the question. It came in question number 17b. Sum of present ages of two friends are 23 years. 5 years ago, product of their ages was 42. Find their ages 5 years hence, means after 5 years. So it is given there are two friends. Let us say their names. Let the two friends are A comma B, and sum of their present ages is 23 years. Let us say the present age of A is X. Let the present age of A is equals to X years, and the present age of B, let us say Y years. And according to the information, sum of present ages of these two friends are 23 years. So ACT, that is according to the question or according to the information, X plus Y is equals to 23, and 5 years ago product of their ages was 42. So 5 years ago, so 5 years ago age of A is what will be? 5 years ago A age is X minus 5 years, right? X minus 5 years, and B age is what it will be? Y minus 5 years, right? So from this what we'll do is X is equals to 23 minus Y. So let us take this is equation number 1, and according to this information product of their ages was 42. So which means X minus 5 into Y minus 5 is equals to 42, and we know X is 23 minus Y. We will replace X as 23 minus Y in this. So 23 minus Y minus 5 into Y minus 5 is equals to 42. So here 23 minus 5, 18 minus Y into Y minus 5 is equals to 42. So further we will multiply this 18 into Y, 18Y, positive into negative, negative, 18 5s are 90, negative Y into Y, negative Y square, negative into negative positive, Y into 5, 5Y is equals to 42. So further negative Y square, 18Y plus 5Y, this becomes 23Y. Here negative 19, positive 42 is here. If it comes this becomes negative 42 is equals to 0. Again negative Y square plus 23Y, on summing up we will get negative 132 is equals to 0. Now Y square coefficient is negative 1, so what we will do is we will multiply throughout with negative 1, then this becomes Y square negative 23Y plus 132 is equals to 0. Now to get Y value we will factorize this quadratic equation. So what I will do is I will split the middle term in such a way their product is okay, from here so from here I am writing. So here Y square coefficient is 1 and the constant is 132. 1 into 132, 132. So I'll split 132 in such a way. Their product is 132 and their sum is negative 23. So I'll take negative 12 and negative 11. Negative into negative positive. 12 11s are 132 and negative 12 negative 11, when you sum up negative 23. So both the conditions are satisfying. So we'll rewrite this. So y square, now negative 23 is splitting into negative 12y, negative 11y plus 132 is equals to 0. So further, from these two terms we'll take y common. So y common, here we left with y, here we left with negative 12. Again from these two terms we'll take negative 11 common, here we left with positive y and here left with negative 12 is equals to 0. So further, again from these two terms y minus 12 common, then we have y minus 12 common, and here we left with y, here we left with y minus 11 is equals to 0. When the product of any two numbers is 0, which means let us say this is a, this is b. When a into b is equals to 0, then any one must be 0, either a must be 0 or b must be 0. So similar way, therefore y minus 12 is equals to 0 or y minus 11 is equals to 0. So further, y is equals to 12 or y is equals to 11. So we got y values. Then by substituting these y values in equation 1, we'll get x values as well. So x is 23 minus y. So if y is equals to 12, then x is equals to 23 minus y. So 23 minus 12, this becomes 11. So here the set is x is equals to 11, y is equals to 12. Otherwise, if y is equals to 11, then x is equals to 23 minus 11, that is 12. Therefore the set x is equals to 12 comma y is equals to 11. So which means we got x value and y value, that is either x is 11, y is 12, or x is 12, y is 11. Anyhow their sum is 23 only. Clear? So therefore the ages of a and b are either a11, b12 or b11, a12 years. Clear? Therefore the ages of a and b are 11 comma 12 or 12 comma 11 years. Clear? This is it.